Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jack Eats. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Ang recipe natin for today is crab in Thai sweet chili sauce. Ayan, so this is our dish, finished dish. This dish is very easy to cook. Medyo kailangan mo lang magtiyaga ng konti, but it's all worth it. Ayan, so I have here 1 kg of crab. So this has been washed already. So I'm going to steam this. So let's arrange the crab dun sa ating pan. I don't have a big steamer, kaya nag-improvise na lang ako. But if you have a big steamer, you can use it. Yung steamer ko kasi is only for siomai. Ayan, we're adding water and then we are going to steam this crab for 15 to 20 minutes. Ayan, so while the crab is steaming, I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. So meron ako ditong 1 whole garlic. I'm gonna peel off this garlic na medyo marami-rami siya, because we are going to grind this together with the onion and the ginger. Ayan, check natin yung ating in-steam. This one is doing good. Nag-change na ng color yung ating crab. And we continue with our garlic. We have thumb-sized ginger we are going to peel. And then we have 1 small onion. So itong onion natin, ito babalatan lang din natin siya. Kinat natin siya into half. Ayan. So after this, we have our chili. 1 green and 1 red chili. And also, we have a bunch of parsley. Ayan, chinap lang natin yung ating parsley. So ilalagay natin yung ating onion, ginger, and garlic dun sa ating chopper or grinder, and we are going to grind this para pantay-pantay yung kanilang size. And also, it is a much easier way to chop your onion, garlic, and ginger. This small device saves me a lot of time. Ayan, scrape natin yung nasa sides, and then we are going to do it once again. Then we are going to transfer this dun sa ating lalagyan or yung ating mangkok. Ayan, so this is a very nice, nicely chopped. Ayun, yung ating crab is already cooked. So we are going to remove this from the pan and transfer to a plate, and we will allow this to cool down so we can cut the crabs into half. Although I'm not going to cut all the crabs into half, three pieces I'm going to cut, and then the 2 I'm going to leave as a whole. So para mas maganda yung presentation later. And we're cutting our crabs into half. By the way, these crabs are female, sabi din sa supermarket. Mas mataba daw yung female na crabs. Pero sabi nila dun sa Pilipinas dati, pag bakla daw yung crab, mas mataba siya. So magluto na tayo ng ating sweet chili sauce. Thai sweet chili sauce. I have here 80 grams of butter. Nagdagdag ako ng konting oil. Yan, para maiwasan natin siyang masunog. Sometimes the butter gets burned. Nagiging brown siya, tapos nagiging mapayat. So we add our onion, ginger, garlic, and susote lang natin siya. Then we're gonna add our black pepper. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Your chili flakes, it's optional, but I want it a little spicy. Yung may konting kick siya. So I added the chili flakes. Isote lang natin ito. Ayan. And then we're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we add our red and green chili. So isote lang natin siya, and then isunod natin yung ating Thai sweet chili sauce. I am adding 1 cup. Ayan, para saucy yung ating ulam. And then I just wash the cup with a small amount of water. So i-mix lang natin siya. Ayan. This sauce is really nice. Then we add our parsley. Ayan. So maganda yung kulay ng ating sauce. Then we're going to add our crabs. Yung crabs natin dito, we're going to cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. Just make sure that the crabs are coated by the sauce. And we will have enough sauce later on. Pwede natin gawin sausawan yung sauce na yan, or pwede natin isabaw sa kanin. Ayan, we are coating the crabs with the sauce. We're gonna cover this and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Ayan, it's boiling. So again, we are going to coat the crabs with the sweet chili sauce natin. Ayan, it's done already. So we are eating. Ayan, thanks again for watching. Please for any comments and suggestions, leave at the space below. Bye.